What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Mr. Mashubani and today we're going to be talking about how to measure your social media KPIs. And if you are new to marketing or literally anything in business, you may be wondering what the HECK is. A KPI. KPI basically stands for Key Performance Indicator, and it's basically a way to measure or calculate your social media efforts, whether they are successful or not. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, like or share the video. Do whatever you want. Please comment and tell us what you think about the video or what you have learned so far. Let's get to it. So how do you know which KPIs to track? First things first, you need to have a clear goal. Once you figure that out, whether it is increasing website traffic, brand awareness, or conversions or lead generation, different goals require different key performance indicators. So once you figure out what you want to achieve, you can literally be able to choose which KPIs to track. Now that you know what your goals are, or you have an idea of what your goals are, now you can choose which KPIs you want to measure, whether it is engagements, impressions, clicks, call to action, clicks, or whatever. Now that you know what the goal is, you are able to actually choose which metrics to track. Now it's time to start collecting data, because that's what we're here for. You can use a lot of different tools like Facebook Analytics or Twitter Analytics or Hootsuite or Sprout Social. This will help you collect some data on whether it's engagements, analytics, clicks, or whatever impressions, whatever the numbers that you're looking for are. It is going to be easier if you're using these tools that are already, some are native in these apps that you may be using, whether Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, and some are third parties like Hootsuite and Sprout Social. Now that you know all this, how do you actually measure these different metrics in percentages? Let's go. Number one, how to measure your growth rate percentage. You divide new followers by total followers multiplied by 100, it's growth rate percentage. Divide post views with total followers multiplied by 100, it's post reach percentage. Likes divided by followers multiplied by 100, it's applause rate percentage. Likes plus comments plus shares divided by followers multiplied by 100 equals to average engagement rate percentage. Shares divided by followers multiplied by 100 equals to amplification rate percentage. Conversions divided by clicks multiplied by 100 equals to conversion rate percentage. Total ad spend divided by total clicks multiplied by 100 equals to cost per click percentage. Call to action clicks divided by impressions multiplied by 100 equals to click-through rate percentage. Congratulations, you made it this far in the video. Now you know how to measure your key performance indicators in your social media marketing efforts. So now that you know, go out there and measure your key performance indicators accurately while you run your digital marketing campaigns. Good luck. Hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like button if you got value from this video. Follow us on social media platforms and we will attach them on this video. I'm out.